Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram story without losing a quality. So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here. And after that, in the bottom right side corner, you will see the profile icon. Click on there. On the top right side corner, you will see the three horizontal lines. Click on there, go to the setting, and here you have to just go into the account and basically in the cellular data use, just click on this and you have to make sure that the data saver is turned off. And after that you have to just to change this setting, and after that you will able to upload Instagram story without losing quality. So this is it guys, and after that you have to just click on the plus icon, right? And here you have to just go to the story section and go to the any of the videos, or I will select a photo here, right? So I will select this photo, and if I want to add a music, on the top right side corner you will see the smiley icon. Click on there. On the search bar you have to just search music, and here you can select the music, and after that I can select any one of the music, and that's it, it will get selected, right? And here I can just click on done, click on the your story, and that's so easy. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.